Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix PayPal pending. If there is a payment on your PayPal that is pending, then there might be a couple of reasons why that's happening. Some of the main common reasons are insufficient funds, needing to verify your account, or the seller needing to complete their part. Ensure you have enough funds in your PayPal account to cover the payment. You can add money from your bank account or linked cards. Also make sure to verify your account and contact the seller directly to see if there is anything they need from you to complete the transaction. Now once you've made sure of them, the next thing you would want to do is to check if your PayPal application is updated. Open your app store from your app drawer and go to the search box and type in PayPal. Once you find the PayPal app in the search result, if there is an update button, give a tap to the update button immediately to download the latest version of PayPal. Once you install the latest version of PayPal application on your device, tap on Open to open the PayPal app again. Also make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection while using PayPal. If you don't have a strong and stable internet, that might be the main cause for your payment not processing. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the pending PayPal transaction on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.